So can you be profitable just by trading London session? Well, the answer is yes. And I'm going to show you a very simple 3-step strategy that is consistent, has a very high win rate, and is very, very high probability. So let's get right into it. Now, the first step, you're going to be looking to identify a higher time frame target. Now, all this is ever going to be is external or internal range liquidity. Okay, so that's either going to be old highs and lows, or it's going to be some kind of inefficiency. So external in a bullish example would be range highs like this, potentially some kind of range high on the left. And the internal range liquidity is going to be bullish inefficiencies, right? So like bullish FVGs. So that's all you're ever going to be targeting. So your higher time frame target is going to be one of these things. Now, in this example, we're going to be looking at a bullish example of an internal range liquidity target. So price is making a leg up, and then the 4-hour has closed below these 3 last up candles, right? Which has formed a bearish order block. Okay, so by forming that bearish order block, that's confirmation of a retracement. So we're going to be looking for an internal range liquidity target for price. Now, if we go on to the daily, you can see that we do have this daily FVG here. So that is our higher time frame target. Now, step 2 involves the kill zone, specifically Asia kill zone and London kill zone. So Asia kill zone is 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. UK time, and London kill zone is 7 a.m. till 10 a.m. UK time. And what we're going to be waiting for this step is for London kill zone to take out Asia kill zone opposite to the target, right? So in this case, we're looking for sells. So we're going to look for London to push higher and take out Asia high, okay? Because that is going to be the liquidity that sponsors the move. So we want this high to get taken out once London kill zone opens, right? And you'll see that London kill zone is this purple box here. And you can see that we aggressively take out Asia high, right? So that is step 2. We've got the liquidity to sponsor the move, and we have the higher time frame target. So then moving on to step 3. After London kill zone has taken out that Asia high, we're simply going to be navigating an entry, right? This is the last step, and it's very, very simple. So to navigate that entry, all we're looking for is for price to go from this bullish order flow that has taken price above Asia high to start to form some bearish order flow, right? So you want to see that switch on the lower time frame, and that is what we're going to navigate our entry off of. So if I let this play out a little bit, you can see that price goes and we move lower very aggressively, and we form a bearish order block here on the 5-minute, right? Because we have closed beneath these 3 consecutive up candles before the down move. So that's our bearish order block. And once we do that, right, that's confirmation that price is now forming bearish arrays, forming that bearish order flow, which is going to carry price to that higher time frame target. Okay, so you can simply enter off of one of the bearish PD arrays that gets formed. In this case, it's going to be that bearish order block. Stop loss can go at the high of London session, and we're simply going to go and target that higher time frame zone, right? In this case, it was the daily FVG, which is internal range liquidity, right? And as you can see, price taps into the entry, and then we go straight to target very, very quickly. Now, despite the simplicity of this system, it is very high probable and very consistent. So if you were to stick to just performing these 3 steps, you could definitely be profitable just by trading London session. Now, if you want to know more about how to pick the right PD array for your buy zones, sell zones, and entries, I'm going to leave a free document that you can go and download in the description. I'm also going to leave a link to my X in the description where I post other types of content. And if you're interested in mentorship, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description as well. But I hope you found value in this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.